How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply use the player control trigger in Geometry Dash. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is to actually add the trigger onto your level right here. So I'm going to be using this demo level, and then you want to click on this trigger sections. And then it's going to be this specific trigger right here, which is going to be this blue icon. So in my case, I'm going to be placing my trigger onto the end of the level, or to make things easier, let's just go ahead and place it onto the beginning part right here. So from there, of course, you then want to click on the edit object to actually modify the player control trigger. And of course, you want to target your players. So if you want to target both players, you could just select this checkbox right here. And then in my case, I'm going to be enabling touch trigger. And then let's select the stop jump right here. So with this specific trigger, it will actually stop the player from jumping. You could select other commands right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.